Let's answer some problems about percentile. I have two examples here for you. The method that I'm going to use is what we call linear interpolation. So for this example, we have 100, 105, 110 until 140. So the first thing we need to do is to arrange the numbers from lowest to highest. So here in my problem, the numbers or the data that we have is already arranged. So we don't need to rearrange this. Okay, so that's one thing you need to remember. Arrange the data from least to the greatest. Okay, and of course we will use the formula for linear interpolation. So here we have k over 100 times n plus 1. K is what is being asked. That's number 35 in this problem. We need to find the 35th percentile. So that's the k, the 35th. And then the n is the number of data that we have. So if we count the number of data, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our n is equal to 9. So using the formula, we just need to substitute that 35 and 9 here, and the answer is going to be 3.5. So 3.5, that means we really need to do some linear interpolation or some interpolation. So 3.5, that is between the third and then the fourth number, which is 105th, 110th, and 105. So between the third and the fourth value. So to do the interpolation, what we will do is we will take the third value, that's this one, 110, plus, it's always plus. This 0.5 is because of the excess, so that's 0.5. Again, 110 being the third value. Plus is always part of the interpolation. That 0.5 is from 3.5, so that's 0.5. And then we will subtract the fourth and then the third value, so that 115 minus 110. So the answer is going to be 112.5. So this is the 35th percentile. So let's go to example number 2. Again, we have this data and this already arranged from the smallest to the highest. We need to find the 50th percentile of the problem. Using the formula, it's going to be 50 over 100. So 50 is because of the 50th percentile. We have 9 here. And the answer is going to be 5. So since this is 5, there's no decimal, we will not be doing any interpolation. So the answer, we just need to identify the fifth value. So 1 being the 3 being the first, 6 is the second, and then the 15 is the fifth value. So that's the answer. The 50th percentile is equal to 15.